Original and personal is the decision to use pink. Choose color versions without losing the pink hue and you will achieve warmth, elegance and dynamism. In this video, we invite you to Jenifer's house for a home tour. Shabby chic being 100% decorative trend in this living room. White could not be missing when it comes to knowing how to combine pink this season. Here you will find how the lighting through the windows highlights the elegant, neutral colors, although with a presence such as gold and silver. In small doses in the kitchen. Do not give up the trend of decorating with pink. It is a tone that brings light. White is perfect as a chromatic couple with pink. And you can incorporate this last tone in appliances, pot sets, plated sets, textiles such as kitchen towels, and a floral arrangement is a note of color that adds a lot. bedroom. With a halo of delicacy, pink is shabby chic. This is how the decorated environment is. Medium pink bedding with powder pink accents and leaves a set of basic with white pink wood bed frame. The fact is provincial shabby chic and is warm thanks to the pink. Do not be afraid to combine different shades and intensities of pink in the cushions, even with hints of gold. The shabby chic garden. Take advantage of this style to have additional space to enjoy the garden. It is incredible how such subtle touches of color can achieve a romantic and feminine space. Comment which decoration detail you liked in this video.